Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lobster at home. First, select live lobsters, ideally weighing between 1 1/4 to 2 pounds each, as they offer the best meat-to-shell ratio and tenderness. Always ensure your lobsters are active and healthy before you begin. Gather your essential tools, such as a very large pot, sturdy tongs, and a reliable timer. Proper preparation is key to a delicious lobster meal, setting the stage for a truly enjoyable culinary experience right in your own kitchen. For boiling, fill a large pot with enough water to completely submerge your lobsters, adding about 2 tablespoons of salt for every gallon of water to mimic their natural habitat. Bring this salted water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Carefully add the lobsters head first, one at a time, using tongs. Cover the pot and cook for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, depending on their size. You'll know they're done when their shells turn a vibrant, bright red color. Steaming is another excellent method, often preferred for its ability to retain more of the lobster's natural flavor. Place a steamer rack in a large pot with about 2 inches of salted water, ensuring the water doesn't touch the rack. Bring the water to a boil, then carefully place your lobsters on the rack. Cover the pot tightly and steam for 10 to 15 minutes, again depending on their weight. The shells will turn a beautiful, vibrant red when perfectly cooked. Once your lobsters are cooked to perfection, carefully remove them from the pot and allow them to rest for a few minutes. This brief resting period helps the meat firm up slightly. Serve them immediately with classic accompaniments like warm, melted butter and fresh lemon wedges. Don't forget your favorite side dishes to complete the meal. Enjoy the sweet, tender meat from the claws and tail, savoring every delicious bite of your homemade lobster feast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.